Ready for a start. And they're off. Beechnut Brand with a good start from the far outside. 4 Stars Robro pokes his head in front from the center of the track as Ivanhoe Blue Chip. Then Talk About Me ripped is up close, just 3.5 off the lead. Then comes Honolulu Hunk with Low Leak, and A Touch of Flair is the early trailer. 4 Stars Robro engaged by Beechnut Brand, and Beechnut Brand pokes the head in front. 4 Stars Robro back to second. Ivanhoe Blue Chip and up close third. Then it's Talk About Me. Ripped is fifth and 5 from the lead. The opening quarter was a sharp 27-1. They come past us for the first time, and Beechnut Brand leads the way by a length and a quarter from 4 Stars Robro in the pocket second. Ivanhoe Blue Chip stalking that front pair. Then it's Talk About Me. Ripped pulls to the outside, 4 lengths off the lead, and Honolulu Hunk tracks that cover. Low Leak is third over, and 6.5 from the front. A Touch of Flair remains eighth and last as they race into the bridge turn. Beechnut Brand leads by a length and a half from 4 Stars Robro. Ivanhoe Blue Chip content to sit from third through a half of 55-4. They're across the bridge and onto the backstretch, and Beechnut Brand is in complete control. He leads by a length and 3/4 under Daniel Dubé whip taps. 4 Stars Robro loose in the pocket second. Ripped advancing on the outside. He's within 3 from the lead. Ivanhoe Blue Chip nowhere to go. Talk About Me pinned down at the cones. Honolulu Hunk is gapping on cover. Low Leak swings 3 wide, 6.5 from the front, and it's far back to A Touch of Flair. 123-3 for 3/4, and Beechnut Brand is clear by 2.5 from 4 Stars Robro. Then it's Low Leak out 3 wide, ripped in the light blue sleeves between horses. Ivanhoe Blue Chip is 5 from the front. They're at the top of the stretch, and it's Beechnut Brand forced to dig in. 4 Stars Robro toward the inside. Ivanhoe Blue Chip at the cones. Widest of all is Low Leak, and Beechnut Brand has been collared by 4 Stars Robro. 4 Stars Robro at 20-1 in 153 from Ripped. Beechnut Brand far outside. Low Leak, Talk About Me, and Ivanhoe Blue Chip up close as well. 153.04 for 4 Stars Robro in the 10th at Chester.